what are some of the other benefits as it relates to the financing for a VA home buyer?
A lot more lenient ratios. I've seen DTIs go as far as almost 61%. I've seen some at 62%. Again, this all falls back to the bank and their overlays, meaning what the bank is willing to play with. But if you look at the VA handbook itself, there's really no exact guidelines saying that you have to meet this number or you have to meet this certain FICO in order for it to happen. The other big thing that just got passed just 2 years ago was that there's no more caps. Now, before there was something called county limits. So if you were in LA, for example, you were capped at almost 700,000. Depending on the county, some were 478,000. Well, that got eliminated. So as of now, there's no more cap limits whatsoever. So as long as you qualify for that mortgage, you could buy a $2 million, $3 million, $4 million VA home loan. Last year alone, I did 4 VA loans that were over $3 million. Some of them did put a down payment, some of them didn't. If you strategize it the right way, it will make sense. If you have a different strategy on how you're going to exit off of that property, which is a whole different discussion in itself, but there is possibilities on how you could go up to that amount. Now, the highest VA loan to date done by the VA was $8 million in Malibu. So definitely possible.
Wow. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this short segment of the podcast. If you're interested in watching another short segment, click here. If you're interested in watching the entire podcast or the entire interview, click here. Thank you so much and make it a great day.